Busy, busy, guys. Mhm. Look at this morning dove. He went inside. It's doesn't want to get out now. Oops. What's that squirrel? Uh, I feel sad for them because one of them took one of my eggplant and chewed. They're trying to see if they can eat it, but they don't like it. So my eggplant is safe from squirrel. They're just digging my pots for something. I think they're burying seeds. Thanks for watching, everyone. Shout out. I just want to shout out to Bicol Provincia ko, Sir Larry Lakwat0, Mobs Nails Tutorial, all my original Bulan vloggers, guys. Thank you. GP Laurel hung in there. There's like 20 houses got burned in our neighborhood. My childhood neighborhood in the Philippines. Shout out GP Laurel Bulan Sorsogon. Yan. Sorry that you guys have to go through with hardship like that. It's very unfortunate. Oh, who's in here? Oh, must be Takaw. Don't you try to eat that. Oh no. What's up?